A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Welcome back to this channel where every day there's a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Hey, come here, God attack in the Jamaican language every morning 5 o'clock. And we want you to like, share, and subscribe so other people can come and hear God attack too. Me go read from Luke 6, from 43 to 45. Good tree no bear bad fruit, and bad tree no bear good fruit. Uno can know one tree cause of the fruit we bear. People no pick panganut off a maca tree and grape off a maca bush. The good man do good sinting cause of the good we stir up in our heart. And the wicked man do wicked sinting cause of the wickedness we in our heart. Cause we come out of the mouth and we in the heart. A God what this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.